Hello dear student, today we are going to solve the fourth question of exercise 1.5. But before we solve that fourth question, let us do one example question first. Question is represent root 3.5 on the number line.
First, draw line segment of length 3.5 centimeter using your scale with the help of a scale. Mark this first point as A and this second point as B. So this distance is 3.5 centimeter. Now, after this 3.5 centimeter, extend your line segment after B also. Okay, now what we should do next is after the B point, mark one more point at 1 centimeter distance from B. Now name this point as your C point. So that is the first step. Whatever number you have inside the root, that much distance you have to take in your number line or in your line. Now from the second point, 1 centimeter distance point you have to mark, and we are naming that 1 centimeter distance point as C point. So next what we should do is we should draw a perpendicular bisector, or we can say that we should mark a midpoint for this line AC. The middlemost point of this AC has to be marked in the next step. So for that reason, what we are going to do is keeping the compass at A point and take more than half measurement. With this more than half measurement, draw arc to both the side of your AC line. Once from A point and once from C point, like this. You have to draw arc from both A and C point and join these two arcs through a line segment. So this point, wherever your bisector is meeting, name this point as D. This is the midpoint of your AC line segment. So next, keeping the pointer at D point, extend up to A or extend up to C. Next, from A point, draw a semicircle like this. So whenever you draw a semicircle, the semicircle will touch A point and C point. Okay. Now we have to get this root 3.5 on the number line, isn't it? So after this, what we are going to do is A and C point we have considered to draw this semicircle. Next, this B point we are going to take now. From this B point, we will draw a perpendicular bisector, or else we can say that at B point we will construct the 90-degree angle. So this 90-degree angle construction we already learned in the previous video. If you don't know, then I will give link in the description box. Just check the construction of 90-degree angle. Keeping the pointer at B and taking some distance, we are drawing an semicircle at this B point. Now wherever your semicircle is meeting, from that point one arc, from the second point one more arc. Now so these two arcs will consider to draw two more intersecting arcs. Okay, now take your scale and pencil and draw a straight line which will meet the semicircle, intersecting arcs and the B point. Okay, keep the pointer at B. Take the length of your bisector. Next, from that point, draw an arc like this and name this arc as E point. this E point represent root 3.5 on the number line. To locate root 9.3 on the number line, first draw a line segment of length 9.3 centimeter. As we did in a 3.5, in the same way we are going to do 9.3 also. So this point is our A point, second point is our B point. This distance is 9.3 centimeter. Now from the B point, you extend the line and mark one more point at 1 centimeter distance. Name that point as C point. Next is marking the midpoint of AC. Keep the pointer at C. Take more than half distance and draw arcs to both the side of your AC line from A point and C point. If your arcs are not intersecting, then you extend your previous arc such that they intersect each other. Next, join these two intersecting arcs, and wherever this line is meeting your number line, just name that point as D point. Keeping D as center and taking the distance up to A, draw a semicircle. So your semicircle will meet both A point and C point. Next, construct the perpendicular bisector at B point. Perpendicular bisector means construct a 90-degree angle at B point. So here marking the points on the semicircle. Next, two more intersecting arcs. Okay. Now join this intersecting arc to your B point. So check your compass. If the measurement is not correct, means you are not going to get the intersecting arc. So we know how to construct the 90-degree angle. So here we are doing the 90-degree angle construction. Okay, now join this semicircle intersecting arc and your B point. Now from the B point, take the distance of this perpendicular bisector, and from the point draw an arc like this on your number line. Name this point as E point. Now this E point is representing root 9.3 on our number line.